Hello and welcome. Today I would like to talk about lily scaling. I have scaled this new cultivar which I would like to register this year, and it's an Aurelian hybrid, and you can see that the scales already regenerated scale bulblets and they already have roots. So I started scaling this plant in last autumn, and I kept them at room temperature. It's about between 22 and 24 degrees Celsius, and I kept them at this temperature for 8 weeks. And then I tried to cool them, but it was not good. So I put them to 4 degrees Celsius for 8 weeks. It was put in my vegetable drawer of my fridge. And this cooling period is necessary to encourage the bulbs to sprout out. And you can see that I scale them in a core, and you can see that there are holes in the package, and I just put the scales in a moist core, and I moisten them regularly. I check them every 2 weeks to see if the moisture level is okay. If you scale lilies, it is very important that you do not close hermetically the bag, because the scales need oxygen airflow to generate new scale bulblets. And I'm going to plant it in this 40-liter crate. It's already filled half through with core and Osmocote, and I just spread the scales with the soil out. You can see some of them has these very nice big scale bulblets around the middle part, and that's all. I'm going to, well, you can see that some scales did not regenerate new bulbs, which is normal. If you use inner scales, they're not really conductive to scaling, because they tend to generate less or no scales. Now I'm going to fill the crate with core, moistened core, and this, I pull up the name tag just a little bit. I press it down just a little bit, and more core, and a good thorough watering, and it's ready. I will keep these scales outside, because there will be no more frosts forecasted in Hungary, just in autumn maybe, so I will water them, keep them at a light place with a lot of sunlight, and that should be all. I'm going to keep these scale bulblets first year inside, because this is a new cultivar and I don't want to lose the scale bulblets to rodents like mice and voles, and also snails are very keen on feeding on those fresh scale bulblets. So this is just a precaution, because I don't want to lose this new cultivar which I grown from seed. Okay, tune in next time. If you like this content, you can subscribe, ring the bell, and make a comment, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.